Hi friends, welcome to April's vlog. I did no recording during the month as far as the vlog goes. I did some recording of other stuff, but not the vlog. So I thought I would share what I did this month in my little needle felting business. And I think I have a few videos that I will pop up throughout this, just of things that went on during the month. We started out the month having to go down to Pennsylvania to pick up my father-in-law's apartment. He passed away back the end of March. And so we needed to clean out his apartment. So we went down and did that like the first week in April. So I think I have a little video of the trailer that we had to rent to bring everything back. And we did get rid of a lot of stuff, but we brought back a lot of stuff as well, which my husband is still sorting through, decide what we're keeping, what we're going to sell, what we're going to just get rid of. Kids have taken what they wanted. So that's where we are. Also, in the beginning of April, I released my little bee tutorial. So that is available on my website, chickenruncreations.com. If you are interested in making a little bee with me. His owner, my niece, will be picking him up next month. So she's excited to get him, and I'm excited to share him with her. So that was fun. I also had, during the month of April, a library class, and we made these little turtles. So that was my prototype. And then I also made, let me get the right one here. I also made this little guy. I like his eyes. And then while I was at the class with my students, this is the little guy that I made. So they were really fun, and I'm hoping to do a YouTube video doing him as well, because I had a couple people who asked if they could have a tutorial for the turtle. So the green one is actually already sold. One of the purple ones may be sold. I did get an order last month for a purple turtle, a purple dragonfly, and then she wanted the green turtle as well. So I need to, my project for this afternoon is to work on the dragonfly and then see if she wants one of the purple turtles, or if I'm going to make another one for her. So that was my library class, which was on the 21st, and that's just a small little library, and it was a sold-out class too, which surprised me. I think that's the first sold-out class I had, although one student ended up not coming because she was sick that day. So my next library class, I did the prototype for that, so the library could advertise it, and we're going to do a butterfly just on a sheet of felt. And I am giving them a couple options. They can make their own design, which this one was, or I'll have a couple actual butterfly patterns if they want to fill it in. It's a Saturday class, so I only have 2 hours, so if they decide to go with a like a monarch or something like that, they may have to take it home and finish it. This is what I'm working on currently. I do not remember the name of the butterfly. I'll pop it up after the fact. But I started working on him on our most recent trip down to Pennsylvania to finish up some last minute stuff. So I still need to finish adding the details and stuff, but I like the color. I blended the blue, so I like how that is coming along. Let's see, what else did I do this month? Oh, on my Facebook page, I go live every Thursday, and for the month of April, we did a little Easter bunny. And this is how he came out. Did a little hat, little brim, little flower. The Easter egg comes out because I thought maybe somebody might like to change up if they wanted to leave it out all year, change up the egg into something else. So I did that for the egg, and he holds it pretty well. I could always sew it in if I need to, but I think he turned out really cute. Let's see here. As far as sales go, I didn't really have, other than the one order that I got, I didn't really have any orders this month except for that one. I did sell 3 of my tutorials on my website, and I thought maybe I'd sell more of the bee tutorials, but I know money is hard for people, and a lot of people are like, well, I just don't have time to do that now, so maybe later. So they're always there if you are ever interested in them. So I did gain 1 new member to my membership hub, so that is exciting. And I almost forgot to show you, this is the little Pika that we're working on over there. He's not quite done. I still need to do his head. But I tried a different fur planting technique with him. My friend Chantel at Fuzzy Fiber Art showed how to do that, and I'm really liking how it's coming out. It's I like it better than putting on the wool and folding it over and doing that. So we've been working through him in my membership hub, and if you are interested in that, you can find a link to join that in the description down below. I think needle felting wise, that's pretty much it. I did have some, so I have a little homestead. If you're new to following me, it's like less than an acre. I have a garden, I have lots of chickens, sometimes I raise pigs, but I also have a little side business that I've had since I think I started before COVID happened, selling comfrey blocking 14 root cuttings. And so I started selling those this month once the ground thawed enough that I could actually dig. And I had some pretty good orders. I sell them both on eBay and off my website. So those orders have started to come in. So that's always fun, unless it's raining and I have to dig in the rain. But so far I haven't had to do that, or at least not more than just a drizzle. So, but I think that is pretty much a recap for the month of April. May has started out pretty good. I have that order that I need to get done. I have my library class next Saturday, the 16th, and I want to get working on my next website tutorial, which I don't remember what that's going to be, if I even decided yet. I don't know. And I have to figure out, I think we're doing a llama next in my membership hub, so that should be fun. We're going to do something, not a traditional llama. We're going to make it colorful. I was informed by one of my members, so that should be interesting. But so I think that's all I have for you for the month of April. I want to thank you for joining me. I want to thank you for all of you who support my little business. And, if you're new, please hit that subscribe button down below. You can hit the little bell. I do put out my live from my Facebook page every Monday here on YouTube, so that you can follow along there if you're not able to catch me live on Thursdays. And then I also will periodically pop up other tutorials as I get them done, like hopefully the dragonfly and the turtle will pop up there as soon as I get them done. But I think that's all I have for you for this month, and I will see you in May. Have a great month.